Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, I showed you how to automatically post on X. However, if we only post content normally without anything special, those posts will quickly disappear and be forgotten. That's why this software also includes an engagement boosting feature. It helps increase interaction so your post can rank at the top of the group or feed. Go to the seeding function on the right side. Paste the links of the posts you want to boost. You can choose how many posts each account will seed. For comments, click this section and select the content you prepared in advance. If you're posting a controversial topic or want to attract attention, the comment content is very important. You can select pre-written content or type comments directly here. You can also like the post or retweet it. After you finish all the settings, select the account.